Mr. Siddhant, what are you doing here? What are you planning to climb using this ladder?
I had set out for a walk. I found this ladder lying on the way. I was just moving it aside, that's it.
Why are you taking a walk at this odd hour?
It's a new place, right, Mr. Rao? So I wasn't getting sleep.
Put the ladder down.
Sorry?
I said put the ladder down. Come with me. Come. Come. I'll make arrangements for you to sleep. If you have a couple of drinks, you'll be able to adjust in any place. Come. Mr. Siddhant, even today, when I miss my hometown, this is how I try to forget my sorrow. Even otherwise, it calls for a celebration today. Mr. Siddhant, you'll be surprised to know the right hand of such a big man lives such a simple life. You have come to my room for the first time, right?
Yes, Mr. Rao.
Cheers.
Rao, I'll get you so drunk that you will reveal all the secrets of your past life. I won't let go of such an opportunity. Anushka, what happened?
Take care of her. She is allergic to jaggery.
Have you come here to meet everyone and look around, right? Or you have come for this?
Am I allergic even to jaggery? What kind of fate? What kind of fate do I have? Why do I always get things that I'm allergic to? Why do I get all this?
What's the matter, Mr. Siddhant? You don't seem happy? I see. Mrs. Anushka's engagement is fixed.
I'm very happy, Mr. Rao. Anushka is my childhood friend, right?
And Mr. Kekka's biggest responsibility. After Mrs. Anushka's marriage, Mr. Keke will be able to focus completely on his dream.
Which dream are you referring to?
Becoming a big businessman of this country. The biggest businessman. That's his dream. Mr. Siddhant, shall I tell you something? Mr. KK won't tell you. I know how much Mr. KK is missing Mr. Prabhakar today. Your dad was a very good man. Your dad was a very useful man. We had done everything possible to get him on our side. We had done everything possible. Everything. We had done.
What had you done, Mr. Rao? What had Mr. KK done?
That.
Mr. Rao,
That.
what is it? Tell me.
That.
Yes, tell me.
Builder's case, that builder's case. That.
What about the builder's case, Mr. Rao?
The.
Mr. Rao,
The. Builder case.
yes, tell me.
Builder
Mr. Rao,
12 July 1999. It was a very easy case. Some say that Mr. Prabhakar took some bribe from that builder. After that, Prabhakar Sinha was tried in court as well, but the government lost this case.
You're not able to sleep, right? I knew that. Without brother here, you won't sleep. Mom, then why don't you call brother? After losing dad, who else do we have? All we have is brother.
this cutting should have that builder's name. But I had already come across that. Kundan Miglani.
Who the heck is it? Oh God, I've told him so many times not to hit the calling bell. I'll collect the milk whenever I wake up. Who are you, mister? Why are you showing me stunts early in the morning?
My name is Siddhant Sinha,
Who Siddhant Sinha?
Prabhakar Sinha's son.
That lawyer?
You don't even have the right to dream now, Siddhant. Congratulations. You have won. But honestly speaking, I still love you, Siddhant.
Hereafter, you don't have to lie to anyone. If anyone comes and questions you, then tell them that you are with me, with Siddhant Sinha.
I have lived my life in constant fear. Now that you have come here, I am thinking of taking the burden off my heart. Ask me whatever you want to ask.
All I want to know is, Mr. Miglani, whether my father was corrupt.
In my entire life, I haven't come across a person more honest than Prabhakar Singh. And I want to convince you that all the allegations made against him were false.
Prabhakar, luck is smiling on Krishnakant Reddy. If you work for a growing company, then you too will grow with it. Why are you wasting your time working as a government lawyer? Join KK. KK very badly needs trustworthy and capable people like you. You should join KK.
Small plants doesn't grow under big trees, KK. I'm just a simple lawyer who does his work sincerely and find happiness in that. Please don't drag me into all this.
But KK had already resolved by then that he wants Prabhakar. He called me and made me an offer. It was such an offer that I couldn't decline. But there was also a condition. Money is being offered to you, Mr. Prabhakar. Grab it with both hands. What will you gain if the government gets such a huge piece of land?
I will get peace of mind and peaceful sleep. Talking about the government, that government land can be put to any use. A garden can be made on that land, a school or a hospital can be built on it. The question is not what you and I will gain. The question is what the society will gain from it, Miglani. If you repeat this, then I'll send you to jail.
But then if he had clearly refused, then how did he get accused of taking bribe?
I had made that accusation. Hey, what are you doing, dear? I had done all this on KK's instructions. And I was the one who had leaked this news to the media later. Mr. Prabhakar was humiliated. You should feel ashamed, Prabhakar. You took bribe from the builder and lost the case.
I haven't taken bribe from anyone. Even after taking bribe, you are denying it. See guys, he is telling a white lie. And top of that, he keeps lecturing about honesty all the time.
Even we too indulge in cheating in small ways. But at least we don't preach about honesty. That's it. In the end, the case took such a turn that it was proven that Prabhakar Sinha had taken a bribe. The Bar Council even cancelled his license. Then KK Reddy came into the picture as a messiah. Though he got the ban on his license revoked. But Prabhakar felt so ashamed that he never fought a case again. And he kept working for KK for his entire life, feeling obliged for the favor he had done to him. But Siddhant, I am very glad that Mr. Prabhakar has a son like you, who never believed what others said and came so far seeking the truth. Despite being a public prosecutor, he had taken bribe and lost a case.
This is true.
Why do you create obstacles for me in everything I do?
If you think so, then I won't come in your way. Do whatever you want.
I can't let it go just like that. KK Reddy has to pay for all the pain he had given to my dad.
Dear, if you ask for my advice, then stay away from him. He's a very cheap and disgusting man. I hope you have nothing to do with him.
In this world, if I have anything to do with anyone, then it's KK Reddy.
Anushka? You still sleeping? Come on, get up. All the guests will start arriving in a short while.
Sister-in-law, I'm not feeling like it.
Is it? But first get up and sit. Come on. You did a good thing. Before starting your new life, you cried your heart out and got over your past. But if anyone in our family comes to know that you have been crying all night, and because of that, these ugly dark circles have formed under your eyes, then do you think that they will be happy? No, right? I will definitely not be. That is why I don't want you to cry once again, okay?
Good morning, Anushka.
Good morning, Dad. Good morning, Mom.
Good morning. Okay, listen, I have ordered a few special dresses for you. Check them out if you like any among these.
Mom, I like this one. It's simple. And you may choose the jewelry yourself, but let it be something simple.
What is the matter? Why are you choosing everything so simple?
Yes, Dad. You know very well I like simple things.
But it's a very special day. It's your engagement today. What happened? Is everything okay? Did someone say something?
No, Dad. What would anyone say?
Did Vedant do anything? What is the matter then?
You shouldn't be getting married to Vedant. He is only focusing on his career, that's it. He doesn't love you. Mom,
Siddhant. What happened? Huh?
Mom,
What happened exactly? Tell me.
Mom, Dad,
Prabhakar? What Prabhakar? Speak up.
I was wrong, Mom. I misunderstood my dad.
What were you mistaken? What are you saying? Tell me what exactly happened. Huh? Come inside. Get up, come on.
Am I allowed to come inside?
Come on, get up. Come, get up. Come on.
Nothing, father-in-law. Girls do get nervous before they get married, right? Wondering the kind of family they would go to.
Are you happy with your engagement, Anushka? Don't lie to me. Don't lie to KK. Let me know if there is something.
I just want you to be happy. And you can't live happily with Vedant. Please. Please don't get married to him.
Oh, I'm telling you, you're worrying unnecessarily. Girls do get nervous during this time, so after all, they have to leave their own family and go into a new one.
Come on, KK. She's our daughter. She can't be jumping around just to show us she's happy. She would surely be sad. And please don't make her feel awkward.
Fine then. If that is so, then...
Vedant can't keep you happy. He doesn't love you. Please, Anushka, please don't get married to him.
Dad. Dad, I'm not happy.
Drink some water. Come on, drink some water. What's wrong with you? Tell me what's wrong. Why have you done this to yourself? Siddhant, please.
Mom.
At least tell me what exactly happened. Tell me what happened.
Mom. Mom, I mistook Dad for all this while. If you remember, Dad was accused of losing a case by taking bribe in a builder's case. Do you remember?
Yes. Siddhant, tell me what happened. Huh?
He was innocent, Mom. Krishnakant Reddy framed him in that case.
What are you saying? Why would Mr. KK trap your dad, dear?
Mom, I just met that builder whose case Dad was fighting. He himself told me that on Krishnakant Reddy's say, he tried bribing my dad.
No. You must be mistaken, Siddhant. That's not possible.
That's true, Mom. You don't know Krishnakant Reddy's truth. How did a man working in a coal mine become so rich all of a sudden? His true color is darker than coal. He has misused every other person. His intentions are just not right. He misused Dad's friendship first. And then when he felt that Dad was coming in his way, he murdered him, Mom.
What are you saying? Who murdered? Who, Siddhant? What are you saying?
Dad's murder, Mom. Dad, Krishnakant Reddy has murdered Dad. Mom, control yourself.
No, Siddhant, this can't be true, Siddhant. This can't be true. Mr. KK used to love your dad so much. He was very fond of him.
It was all a farce, Mom. It was all a farce. He is a very selfish person. Everything he does is for his own benefit. Get a hold of yourself, Mom.
How did you come to know?
On the day of Karthik's wedding,
If one licks his fingers after touching anything, then that person will die from the poison.
He was getting poisoned in front of us. And we didn't even come to know.
Dad was dying a slow death in front of us. And we weren't even aware about it.
Why didn't you tell me this until now? I wouldn't have shared any bond with your dad's murderer.
Because I didn't want to risk your life, Mom. I didn't want that. KK Reddy is a very dangerous man, Mom. If he'd got any suspicion or even got a whiff of this, then he would have killed all of us, Mom. That's why I tried to fight this case against him. But I failed, Mom. I failed to gather any evidence against him. I know about so many of his crimes. He's the one who killed Hira. He's the one behind the airline plane crash. We are totally powerless in front of him. I have no clue about what we should do.
You fight with KK Reddy following your father's principles. Because if you adopt wrong means to fight with him, that would mean the defeat of your father's ideals. That KK Reddy should realize that people like Prabhakar Sinha are immortal. I'm with you in whatever you do. But whatever you do, make sure it is fair. And don't forget, Siddhant, KK Reddy is our culprit. I want revenge upon him.
Where are you going, Mom?
I'm going to the temple. I want to ask God something today.
Why aren't you happy? Huh?
What's the matter, Anushka? Why aren't you happy?
Well, Mom,
Don't be scared, Anushka. Don't worry. KK wants to see you happy. If there is any issue, then tell me.
Dad, well, Dad, after my marriage, I'll have to go away from you. And I also won't get to eat the cabbage porridge you make. Who will tell me that seeing my face first thing in the morning makes his day? Who will love me as much as you do, Dad?
You are wrong. No matter where you go after your marriage, KK will not stop treating you to cabbage porridge. Some mornings when you wake up, you will find me sitting in front of you. But the other thing you said is absolutely right. No one will love you as much as I do. But then you will have to get married, Anushka? Now you have grown up. You are marrying the boy of my choice. I am very happy. You are a good daughter.
Come on, quickly get ready and come out.
What were you about to say, Anushka?
Riddhi?
Yes, Mom. Coming.
I can't disappoint my dad. I'll have to marry Vedant.
Greetings.
Greetings. You already know Mr. Upadhyay. He is my political mentor.
Of course, everybody knows him. He is the party president.
But I have come here as your friend, not as the party president. Vedant, you also have invited me, but I am here as the invitee of the bride's family. I know it quite well, Mr. Upadhyay. For that reason, this alliance becomes even more important for me. And if you are Mr. KK's friend, then from now on, I'm like a son-in-law to you as well.
Welcome, Mr. Upadhyay.
Let's go.
Come.
I will fight with him fair and square, Mom. I'll fight following the principles of my father. But what is the right way, Mom?
Are you in some dilemma, Siddhant?
Please forgive me, Dad. I doubted your honesty and your integrity, Dad. I wonder what was wrong with me, that I refused to see what was right in front of me. I wonder what all I kept imagining.
Siddhant, you are my son. I never felt bad about it, so forgiving you is out of the question. The tears in your eyes make it clear that you have forgiven yourself. And nothing can be more important to a father than this. Siddhant, you have become something else today.
What have I become?
A changed person. And I think as this changed person, you should smile more often. Because you look good when you smile. From the place where I am, I don't like to see you sad.
Mom says that we should fight fair and square. But I don't know how to decide what is fair.
I will guide you. Sit. I haven't gone that far from you that I can't come to you when you need me.
Will you stay with me?
Always.
Won't you abandon me again?
Not at all. Whenever you miss me, you will always find me by your side. During every problem and every adversity, I will try my best to answer all your questions, Siddhant.
So where should we start from?
Recollect what your mother had said. If you ever have to choose between love and hatred, then You must always choose love. No matter how strong and how deep hatred is, your first choice should always be love.
I love you, Siddhant. I love you very much. I'm still ready to be by your side. Go and talk to my dad.
I know. What is the first thing that I must do?
I say, Riddhi, don't you think that Anushka is a bit upset? I was so excited on my engagement. No, I don't think so. But I do think that there's a problem with your eyes.
Riddhi dear, give the ring to Rao.
The ring, it's with Anushka. I'll get it from her. Nupur, you stay here. I will get the ring. I will get it. Anushka? What is it? You are not ready as yet? What are you doing, Anushka? Please, get ready.
Sister-in-law, I don't feel like
You
it.
don't feel like? Anushka, enough. Don't create any scene, please. The guests have already arrived. It's not about only you anymore. It's about the reputation of our family too. Please, Anushka, get ready. Okay, where is your ring? Give it to me, please. We have to perform the ritual.
I've got a ring for you. An engagement ring.
What happened now? What are you thinking? Anushka, please get ready.
That's what I'm doing, right? I'm getting ready.
Mom,
Yes.
actually, I wanted Dad's tie.
Are you going somewhere?
Yes. I'm going to do what is true and what is right.
Should I tie the knot?
What more could have I asked for, Mom? My mom is tying a knot for my father's tie. Both of your blessings will be with me.
God bless you.
Shall we go? We're getting late.
Rao, where is Siddhant? I haven't seen him since morning. Didn't Miss Gayatri and Purva arrive?
Yeah, I had called up, but Gayatri had not answered my call. Probably Siddhant must have gone to bring them.
Beautiful. You're looking stunning.
Thank you so much, Dad.
You're looking very pretty.
Looking beautiful.
Shall we start?
Of course, why not? Come on, Anushka.
Anushka, extend your hand for the ring.
Just a minute. Girls start this ritual in our tradition.
It doesn't make any difference.
If it doesn't matter, then let Anushka start the ritual.
It's okay. Anushka, you go first.
Go ahead, Anushka.
Go on, dear.
Stop, Anushka.
What happened, Siddhant?
Please forgive me, Anushka. I'm stupid. I'm an idiot. I'm sorry. I just don't have any sense. I'm a coward. I'm stupid. I am a rascal. And I'm cunning as well. But henceforth, I won't be a liar. So first of all, I want to confess a truth. Here, before everyone, When I had told you that you won't be happy with Vedant and that you should not get engaged to him. I had told you the truth. Because Anushka, only that person will keep you happy who loves you a lot. And that person is me, whom even you love a lot.
Watch your favorite dramas on DRM Drama and don't forget to subscribe.